Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ncert Maths with Bardeep. Today we are continuing our chapter number 2 of grade 10, that is polynomials. Today's topic is division algorithm for polynomials. This topic we have already covered in grade 9 also, so let's revise it. But before going into detail, let's first have a quick recap of the different terms associated. When you are dividing 8 with 2, we know that we will get answer as 4. But this number which is to be divided is always called dividend, and the number by which we should divide, that is always called divisor. So this is the quotient, that is the answer that we will get after division, and the remaining number is always remainder. Okay, so divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. This is how we will divide two numbers. Similarly, when we divide one polynomial with another polynomial, we will again use the same terms, that is divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. Okay, the first step that you should do is, first of all, check whether both polynomials are arranged in the decreasing order of their power or not. If they are already arranged in decreasing order, then okay. Otherwise, you should first arrange them in decreasing order of the power. And if any powers are missing, you should also write those powers with coefficient as 0. Because when you multiply 0 with anything, answer will be 0. But if there are certain terms where power is missing, like one term is having power 4 and after that only power 1 is there, so 3 and 2 are missing, you will always write 0 times x square, 0 times x cube. Okay, so let's see the first step here. This is 3x, this is 2x square and 1. So this is degree of this polynomial is 2, but this 2 is the second term, so we will rearrange it and this will become 2x square, that is power 2 first, after that power 1 and then 1. Okay, so 2, 1, 0. So this is in decreasing order of their power, and here already power 1 and power 0, this is already arranged. Okay, so this is the first step that you should always consider. So now what they are asking is divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. So our dividend is this polynomial and divisor is x plus 2. So now what should be my second step? To obtain the first term of the quotient, what we will do is we will divide the highest degree term of the dividend with highest degree term of the divisor. So what is the highest degree term for this dividend? That is your first term. This is 2x square. So 2x square should be divided with the highest degree term of the divisor, that is x. So no need to divide full. Just take first term and then divide them. So what is this? X square is x into x over x, and this will be cancelled. You are left with 2x. So this is the first term of the quotient. We will write it here, that is 2x. So now what to do? We will multiply this term, that is the term you just calculated, with your divisor. So second step should be 2x multiplied by x plus 2. So now we will multiply. This is 2x into x and then 2x into 2. This is already explained in your previous grades. So 2xx, this will be 2x square, and 2 into 2 is 4x. So always remember one thing, if you have done it correctly, your first term will always matches with the first term of your dividend. So this full thing you will write below this dividend, but make sure you should write like terms together. Okay, so 2x square will be written below 2x square. This is plus 4x, that is degree 1. So here plus 3x. Below this I will write 4x. So now what to do in normal division also? We will subtract these terms. So this is minus minus. Change the sign when we are subtracting. This term is same, so it will be cancelled. Now this is plus 3x minus 4x. So this will be minus x. Okay, and the remaining term we will put it down. Okay, so now what to do? We will repeat these steps until and unless the remainder will have either the same degree as that of your divisor or it is more than that. That means we will continue our division till the time the degree of the remainder is either less than your given dividend or it becomes 0, whatever is it. So here we will see that minus x, that is degree is 1. Here also degree is 1. Still they are equal. So we will repeat this again. That is what to do now? Again we will take the highest degree term of your dividend. In this case now this is our dividend. So this is minus x. Okay, and we will divide this with highest degree term of divisor, that is again x. So this will be cancelled and this is minus 1. So now this minus will be the quotient. So here we will write minus 1. Right? So third step is always multiply this term that you got after division with your divisor, that is x plus 2. So now minus 1 into x minus 1 into 2. So this is minus x minus 2. Again you can match this minus x should match with this minus x. So we will write it here minus x minus 2. So what is the next step now? Change the sign of the second term. Okay. This minus will be changed to plus. This also minus will be changed to plus. So now minus x plus x will be cancelled. Plus 1 plus 2 will be 3. Now again we should check whether we should continue our division further. So here we can see the degree of this constant is always 0. So degree is 0, but here degree is 1. So that means degree of remainder is less than divisor. So we should stop here. Again, if this degree is still greater than this or equal to this, we will continue our these steps. Okay. So this is how we will divide one polynomial with another polynomial. Clear? So now let's summarize this. Let us suppose that dividend we will write as px, okay, divisor as gx. So this is quotient as qx and remainder as rx. If these are the polynomials that we have been given, that is dividend is this, divisor is this, quotient is this and remainder is this, according to your division algorithm, we can say that dividend is always equal to what? Your divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So this rule is same as we use for normal numbers. Same rule holds true for polynomials also. Here we know that if we need to get 8, that is our dividend is always equal to 2 into 4 plus remainder. So that is 8 plus 0 as 8. That is dividend is always equal to product of divisor with quotient plus we will add remainder. So this division algorithm holds true for polynomials also. Okay. So I hope division algorithm is clear to you. Let's take another example. So now let's see, divide this polynomial with this and verify division algorithm. First of all, what should be our first step? That is, your both polynomials of dividend and divisor should be in decreasing order of their power. So here 2, 3, 1, 0. So this is not in decreasing. So first step is we should write them in decreasing order. That is minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. Okay. And gx, that is your divisor, is again here again. This is not in decreasing order. This is 1, this is 0 and this is 2 power. So we will rearrange them. That is minus x square will come first, then x and then minus 1. Correct? So now we will divide this. This is minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5 and minus x square plus x minus 1. So what should be our next step? Always divide the highest power term of your dividend with highest power term of your divisor. So here it is minus x cube. Let this be in the rough area. So minus x cube should be divided with minus x square. Okay. So this minus and minus will be cancelled. So x into x into x, or you can use your exponents and powers rules. So 2x will be cancelled and answer is x. This x is our first term of quotient. So we will write x here. Correct? So what is the next step? This x should be multiplied with divisor. That is x should be multiplied with minus x square plus x minus 1. Okay. So let's multiply. So x with minus x square will give me minus x cube. Okay. X with x is x square. And x with minus 1 is minus x. Okay. So now what to do? Write these terms below like terms here. So minus x cube will come here. X square is here and then x. Please make sure that you are writing the same sign. Next step is change the sign of the second expression. So this minus will be plus, plus will be minus and this minus will be plus. Okay. So now this will be cancelled. So now see plus 3 minus 1. So this is 2x square. Okay. So minus 3 plus 1. Again minus 2x and this 5 will also come here. Correct? So we will check the degree of this remainder. Degree is 2. Here also 2. So since they are still equal, we will continue this division. So highest power of your remainder with highest power of your divisor. Okay, these terms. So x square and x square will be cancelled and we are left with minus 2. So this minus 2 will come in the quotient. And next step is minus 2 should be multiplied with divisor. That is minus x square plus x minus 1. Okay. So let's multiply. Minus 2 with minus x square will be plus 2x square. Right. Minus 2 with plus x is minus 2x. And minus 2 with minus 1 is plus 2. Okay. So this we will write here. 2x square minus 2x plus 2. Now change the sign of the second expression. So plus will become minus, minus will become plus and plus will become minus. So see 2x square minus 2x square, they will be cancelled. Minus 2x plus 2x, again same terms with opposite sign, this will also be cancelled. 5 minus 2 is 3. Again check the degree of the remainder, that is 0. Here degree is 2. So either our remainder should be 0 or the degree of the remainder should be lesser than your divisor. Then we can stop our division. So here in this case, Since degree is lesser than divisor, we will stop our division here. So this is division of px with gx. Okay. So now what is quotient? Here quotient is x minus 2. And what is remainder? This is 3. So according to division algorithm, dividend should be equal to product of divisor with quotient plus remainder. Okay. So let's see. Gx is this part, that is minus x square plus x minus 1. It should be multiplied with qx, that is x minus 2, and remainder is 3. Now let's find this product. Minus x square should be multiplied with x. Now minus x square should be multiplied with minus 2. X should be multiplied with x. X should be multiplied with minus 2. Okay, if you don't know how to multiply these factors or algebraic expression, you can refer my videos of grade 8 of this chapter. So next is minus 1 multiplied with x and minus 1 with minus 2 plus this remainder 3. Okay, so now let's see. This is minus x cube. Minus x square into minus 2 is plus 2x square. X into x is again x square. X into minus 2 is minus 2x. Minus 1 into x is minus x. Minus 1 minus 2 is plus 2 and then 3. Okay. So now we will combine the like terms. X cube is only one term, so we will write it as it is. Okay, so now see 2x square plus 1x square. This is 3x square. Okay, minus 2x minus x. Okay, minus 2x minus x is minus 3x. Correct? And then plus 2 plus 3 is 5. Beyond this, we cannot further combine them. So now let's see whether this is equal. See, minus x cube plus 3x square plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5 plus 5. Okay, so we can see that hence verify. You can write hence verify. Okay, so this is how you will divide any polynomial with second polynomial and verify your division algorithms. This is very important topic, that is how to divide any polynomial and then its verification. There is one more important type of question related to the same topic. Now let's see what is that. From examination point of view, this is one very important type of question which will come in your exams. Let's see what is this type of question. Find all the zeros of this polynomial if you know that two zeros are root 2 and minus 2. Sometimes they will ask find all other zeros. Okay, polynomial is given, out of all the zeros, 2 zeros will be given to you and we have to find the remaining zeros or all the zeros. So what we should do is, we know that these 2 zeros are there. So 0 of any polynomial means, suppose I am writing this, since root 2 and minus root 2 are 2 zeros. So if some number is a 0 of your polynomial, that means x minus that number or that 0 is a factor of your given polynomial. Therefore, x minus your first 0. Okay, x minus root 2 and x minus of minus root 2 are factors of given polynomial. So what should be our first step? That we should find the factors. It is simple. The variable, that is x, minus your given 0. So we will multiply them together and we will get the final divisor of our polynomial. So x minus 2 into x minus of minus will be plus 2. Okay. So now this is a minus b into a plus b. What is the answer? A square minus b square. So this is x square minus root 2 whole square, that is x square minus 2. That means x square minus 2 is a factor of this given polynomial. So in order to find the remaining zeros, what we will do is we will divide our given polynomial with this. Okay, once we divide this with this, the quotient that we will get is the second factor of your given polynomial. So let's see what to do. So we will divide given polynomial with your this factor, that is x square minus 2, to get remaining zeros. Okay, so now let's see how to divide it. So polynomial is 2x raised to power 4. See, now this is already arranged in decreasing order, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So no need to shuffle it, just write it. 2x4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. Okay, so it should be divided by x square minus 2. As already explained, we should divide the highest power term of dividend with highest power term of divisor to get the first term of the quotient. So this is 2x4 divided by x square. Okay, here x raised to power 4, x raised to power 2, so 2x will be cancelled and we will be left with 2x square. So whatever is this term, we should write in the quotient. What is my next step? I should multiply this with divisor, right? So 2x square should be multiplied with x square minus 2. This will be 2x square into x square. So we will get 2x4 minus 2 into 2 is 4x square. Correct? So we will write it here 2x4 minus 4x square. See, this is cube term. So I will write this only below the like term. So this is minus 4x square. What is my next step? Change the signs of the second expression. So this will be minus, this will be plus. This is cancelled now. So again decreasing order, this term will come here. That is minus 3x cube. Now minus 3 plus 4. This will be plus x square. And write down the remaining terms. This. So again we will repeat because here power is 3, here power is 2. So power of remainder is more than divisor. So we will repeat our steps. So now highest term is minus 3x cube divided by x square. So again here cube, here 2. So only 1x will be left and minus 3x. So again this will come here, that is minus 3x. Okay, so now we will multiply this with our divisor, that is minus 3x multiplied by x square minus 2. When you multiply minus 3x with x square will give me minus 3x cube. Minus and minus is plus, 3 into 2 is 6x. Okay, so write it here. That is minus 3x cube. Next is 6x. So it will come here. That is 6x. Now we should change the signs. So minus will be plus, plus will be minus. This is cancelled. Here also you can see 6x minus 6x. So again this will also be cancelled. So what we are left with is x square here and minus 2 here. So again we will check the power. So here it is 2, here also 2. So means we should repeat it further. So next it should be x square divided by x square and we will get 1. So we will write it here 1. So now this 1 should be multiplied with x square minus 2. So same thing will come because multiplication with 1 will not change our terms. Okay. So now change the signs and we will see both terms will be cancelled and answer is 0. So always remember one thing, that whenever you are finding zeros, make sure that your remainder is 0. Otherwise you are doing something wrong in your question. So now the next factor will be this. Okay. So we will say therefore 2x square, that is quotient, minus 3x plus 1 is another factor. So we should factorize this quotient further. By which method? By splitting the middle term. Okay, so it will be 2x square minus 3x plus 1. So now comparing this with ax square plus bx plus c, what should be sum? This is always b, that is minus 3, and product is a into c, that is 2 into 1 as 2. So we should find any two factors which when multiplied should give us 2 and which when added will give me minus 3. Okay, so this will be possible if I take minus 2 and minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1, when you add we will get minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 1 is 2. So we will split our given term, that is minus 3x can be written as minus 2x and minus x. So here it is minus 2x minus x plus constant term. So out of these two terms we can see that 2x is the common term. Okay. So now x is left here. Here full term is out, so only minus 1. Out of these we can see that nothing is common, but since we have negative sign, we will take minus 1 out. So this is x and this plus will be changed to minus with this thing. Okay. So now x minus 1 is a common factor. And then 2x minus 1 is the second factor. Okay. So in order to factorize, we will say either this is equals to 0 or this is equal to 0. Therefore, either x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 should be 0. If this is 0, x will be 1. If this is 0, x will be 1 by 2. Therefore, x minus 1 equals to 0. No, we will shift 1 to other side. So, x is equals to 0 plus 1 or 2x is equals to 0 plus 1. Correct? So, x is equal to 1 or x is equal to, this is 0 plus 1 is 1. This 2 will come in the denominator, 1 by 2. Okay. So, we are done. So, question is find all the zeros. If they have asked all the zeros, we will include those given zeros also. If the question is find the other zeros, that means we should not mention those. So, here it is all the zeros. So, we will write therefore all the zeros are, this we have found, that is 1 and 1 by 2. Okay. And the 2 are already given to us, root 2 minus 2. Okay. So, always remember, if it is all zeros, you should include the given zeros. If it is only the other zeros, then we will write only those zeros that we have found. Okay. So, I hope this question is clear to you. This is all about this video. See you in my next video with the exercise of this chapter. Thank you.